ক্লাস। আজকে আমরা কনসিডারেশন চ্যাপ্টারটা কন্টিনিউ করব। কনসিডারেশন একটা কুইক রিভিশন হয়ে যাক। হোয়াট আই হোপ তোরা সবাই নোটস পেয়ে গেছিস, কারেক্ট? কনসিডারেশন একটা কুইক রিভিশন হয়ে যাক। What is consideration? Something in return. 2D define করে consideration. We know the term. What is that? Quid pro quo. Quid pro quo. Something that which means something in return. Consideration তিন ধরনের হয়, একটা past, একটা present, একটা future. একটা past, একটা present, একটা future. মনে আছে শিল্পা অ্যান্ড রাজের এক্সাম্পল। শিল্পা কি করছে, একটা শার্টের জন্য রাজকে পে করে দিচ্ছে, বাট রাজ সেটা সেই শার্টটা হ্যান্ড ওভার করবে অন এ লেটার ডেট, কারেক্ট? হোয়াট ইজ প্রেজেন্ট? যখন বোথ মানে টু ওয়েজ সাইমালটেনিয়াসলি মুভ করছে, মিনস শিল্পা টাকা দিচ্ছে, রাজ শার্টটা হ্যান্ড ওভার করে দিচ্ছে। ফিউচার, হোয়াট ইজ ফিউচার? when both Shilpa and Raj are entering into a contract on a present date, entering into a contract on a present day but to be fulfilled on a later date. I mean Shilpa will buy a shirt from Raj, but that and will pay for that, but this contract will take place not on the present day but someday on future, correct? So it's future consideration. Okay. Again, next we read the essentials of valid consideration. Consideration must move at the desire of the promisor. It must be of the promisor's choice. It must move as per the promisor. Number 2, consideration may move from promisee or any other person. I told you to correct it. Promisee or any other person. Consideration, anybody can give consideration, whether it's the promisee or any person the promisee have authorized. Any person. Okay, যে লক্ষ্মী আসছে আসতে দাও, যেখান থেকে টাকা আসবে you have to take it, না? You can't wait for the promisee to give you the money. You just can't wait for the promisee to give you the money. ক্লিয়ার? আমি বলেছিলাম এই জায়গাটা মনে রাখতে ভালো করে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে হলো এটা। ওকে, next is what? Consideration may be past, present or future. This is the same thing they are repeating, that it may be past, it may be present, it may be future. Okay, and next it not okay. I've missed a point actually. Let me just check out once. Okay, just add a point there. Okay, where I've written essentials of valid consideration. Consideration must be lawful is okay. Consideration must be real and not illusory is okay. Just add something. Consideration, just add it. Okay, consideration under this essentials of valid consideration. Considerations need not be adequate. Consideration need not be adequate. What? Just add this line, another line. Consideration need not be adequate. Consideration need not be adequate. Consideration, is it visible? Okay, consideration need not be adequate. Consideration did not be adequate. So what do you mean by this? Consideration did not be adequate. Even if the value of consideration is less than the value of the promise, the contract is valid. What? Even if the value of the consideration, is less than the value of the promise, the contract is valid. Even if the value of the consideration is less than the value of the promise, the contract is valid. Correct? What? Suppose A has entered into a contract with B. A has entered into a contract with B, and what is happening? For rupees 5 lakh, suppose, any contract. Now on the date of the execution of the contract, B paid A 4.5 lakhs. B paid A what? 4.5 lakhs. So this difference of 0.5 doesn't lead to the cancellation of the contract if A and B agrees to it. Correct? So consideration is not the adequate one, because the actual consideration was for rupees 5 lakh. Actual consideration was for rupees 5 lakh. It is not the adequate one. The consideration that received was 4.5, which is not adequate. This one was the adequate one, but this one is not adequate one. But still the contract is valid if provided if A and B have agreed to it. Correct? কি বললাম? A আর B এ এর সঙ্গে বি এর একটা কন্ট্রাক্ট আছে, সেটা কত টাকার? 5 লাখ টাকার। 5 লাখ টাকা আমি কন্ট্রাক্ট করেছিলাম, দিস ওয়ান ইজ মাই অ্যাডিকুয়েট কনসিডারেশন। কিন্তু অন দ্য ডেট যেদিন এক্সিকিউট হচ্ছে সেদিন বি কি করলো? একে 4.5 লাখ দিল। সো এইটা কি আমার কন্ট্রাক্টে লেখা ছিল দিস 4.5? নো, আমার কন্ট্রাক্টে 5 lakhs লেখা ছিল। ইট ওয়াজ রিটেন 5 lakhs, ইট ওয়াজ নট রিটেন 4.5 lakhs। সো দিস ওয়ান ইজ নট অ্যান অ্যাডিকুয়েট কনসিডারেশন। তাহলে এইটা তো আমি পুরোপুরি টাকাটা পেলাম না, কম পেলাম তো। তাহলে কি এটা আমার কন্ট্রাক্টকে ইনভ্যালিড করে দিচ্ছে? আমাকে কন্ট্রাক্টে ভ্যালিডিটি শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে? নো, প্রোভাইডেড যে এ অ্যান্ড বি দুজনে অ্যাগ্রি করেছে, দে হ্যাভ সেটেলড দি কন্ট্রাক্ট, এরকম কিন্তু ট্রিকি কোয়েশ্চেন্স আসতেই পারে চাইলে, যে এ enters into a contract with B for rupees 5 lakh and the contract was settled for 4.5 lakh. So is this a valid consideration, invalid consideration, illegal consideration, or none of the above? Obviously it's a valid consideration. Contract was settled মানে it was a valid consideration, মানে দুজনে মেনেই করেছে, দুজনের মতামত নিয়েই হয়েছে, with both parties permission this has been done, this has been executed for 4.5 lakhs. Is it clear? So please at this point consideration need not be adequate. Under essentials of valid consideration, please add it. Okay, at this point write it with a pencil or a pen, write it, just write it. So this Adobdi we have completed up to this. Now we'll continue further. Okay, continue further. Okay, acha, there is a term said no consideration, no contract. Yes, it's true. If there is no consideration, there is no contract. If you are not having any consideration, there is no consideration, there is no contract. Okay, this is the general rule. What? No consideration, no contract. Acha, we can term this as ex nudo pacto oritur action. What? Ma'am, কি বলছেন আপনি এসব? ex nudo pacto oritur ORITUR action. So what does this means? Ex nudo pacto oritur action. What does this means? An agreement, this is not mentioned in the notes, you will get in the books or you can write it, okay? An agreement made without consideration is void. That is empty, null. Without consideration an agreement can never happen. This is the general rule. What is the general rule? No consideration, no contract. And we can term this as ex nudo pacto oritur action. And what was that? Quid pro quo, something in return. So you need to remember all this, okay? You need to remember all this. That what is the meaning of this? It might come in questions. What do you mean by ex nudo pacto oritur action? No consideration, a contract with a consideration is valid, a contract with a consideration is void. What do you mean by it? So you have to take it. So what do you mean by this? কি বলছে? এটার মানে হচ্ছে আমি যদি কোনো কন্ট্রাক্ট বা এগ্রিমেন্ট করি উইদাউট কনসিডারেশন, দ্যাট ইজ ভয়েড, সেটা মানা যাবে না, সেরকম কন্ট্রাক্ট হতে পারে না। A contract with a consideration is not possible. It's not possible. This is the general rule. No consideration, no contract. No consideration, no contract. Clear? Is it clear? But whatever is the general rule, we all know there are exceptions, correct? Whatever is the rule, we know there are exceptions. Exceptions থাকবেই। আমি যতই ভালো করে বোঝাই, আমি যতই যাই করি, যতই সুন্দরভাবে পড়াই, there are exceptions that people will say that না ম্যাম ঠিক মতো বোঝায় না। So exceptions still exist, ঠিক আছে? And we need to focus on that specifically. So similarly general rule এটাই হতে পারে। আমি কিন্তু বহু আগের থেকে ইউটিউবে পড়াচ্ছি, আমার তোদের সিনিয়রদেরকেও আমি ইউটিউবে পড়াচ্ছি, বাট কারেন্টলি পিপল আর হ্যাভিং প্রবলেম। So they are the exceptions. So I need to focus on them, but I can't focus on them because I can't find out any other way. So people may talk anything. People have the right of speech to say anything, but there are few numbers. I have this whole lot who understands why I am doing this, and many of you have also mailed me that, ma'am, this way is the best way. We could avail these videos later on also. So I will carry on with this only because this is possible for me only. I can also, this is the most easiest way according to me. Anyways, so they are the exceptions, correct? So let's see what are the exceptions to this general rule. Very important section that you need to remember is section 25. Very important section that you need to remember. I'm telling you continuously, you have to remember this section. What? Section 25. This section lays down the exceptions. This section lays down the exceptions to the general rule of no consideration, no contract. Correct? Is that correct? Okay.